Very excellent.
The best. Today we are here with Chef Masood, the best chef of UAE in Emirati Cuisine. We will do ChickenMajboos. ChickenMajboos?
ChickenMajboos today.
Majboos originated in Arabic Gulf. It's a dish full of history. It's what we can call a culinary masterpiece, a connection between culture, influence from other country. That means the spicy coming from India, the masala, connected to what is the Arabic Gulf, Bahrain, Oman, Saudi. This dish that evolved during the centuries is not just a dish anymore, but symbolizes celebration and hospitality. In Saudi, the Majboos is made with basmati rice and combination of cinnamon, black lime and cloves. Kuwait Majboos is mostly based in strong aroma of cinnamon and cloves, and they add saffron. Bahrain Majboos is a beautiful combination of sweet and sour. They introduce a lot of dry fruit and raisin. Emirati Majboos involve protein like beef, chicken, or fish, and they use mostly tomato in the masala. The final Majboos is not just a rice and chicken dish or fish, it's the symbol of the tradition of this country. Interesting dish, Emirati Cuisine. Emirati Cuisine is not really well known from a lot of chefs. We have here the best. Good morning, chef.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Chef Masood.
Where are you from, chef?
I'm from Pakistan. I'm living from Karachi.
Why you are in this part of the world?
Actually, I came from Middle East because Middle East is a good country. Especially, I learned the Emirati food.
Where you start?
Al Bustan Rotana, the airport, Dubai.
Wow, they were doing Emirati Cuisine?
No, I learned for Chef Iqbal. He's working for our chairman house. He teach me this Emirati cuisine.
What is for you the secret of the Emirati Cuisine?
I make my hand some all garam masala.
That's the secret, eh?
Secret, yeah. And plus this my hand.
That's the secret.
This is secret.
The secret is here and here.
Everybody cooking, this is no problem, but this is very secret. I cook anything, it's my heart.
And what we prepare today?
Today I make it for chicken biryani, Emirati biryani.
No, the ChickenMajboos. This is
Sorry.
What we prepare today, chef?
Today I prepare our ChickenMajboos.
ChickenMajboos.
Picketing from there, from sliced onion, sliced tomato, garlic ginger paste, okay, curry leaf, dry lemon, bay leaves, cinnamon stick, all garam masala, cardamom, fennel seed.
You need to grind?
No. Grind.
Okay.
And then curry powder. This is for garam masala, homemade. Okay. And this is turmeric powder. Okay. Lemon, green chili, lemon juice, ghee, fried onion and cashew nut, pure water, coriander leaf for garnish, salt for expert taste. Chicken, this is for with bone chicken.
Always with bone, eh?
With bone.
In essence, preparing Majboos it's a labor of love, knowledge and experience, and patience. What is the ingredient you think you cannot miss? Otherwise, Emirati Cuisine will not be the same.
Masala. Masala is important. Masala
Without
is important.
That, no Emirati Cuisine.
Emirati cuisine.
No Emirati Cuisine. Tell me iconic dishes of the Emirati cuisine, the most important.
Emirati cuisine is very less cuisine. It's not too much food. Chicken majboos, lamb majboos, fish majboos, vegetable majboos, Emirati biryani, chicken tata, lamb tata, haris. Haris is very important about the Ramadan.
And the salona.
Salona is very important for Salam, it's Ramadan time.
Each step is extremely important, from the selection of the best ingredient and the spicy to the masala, the marination of the chicken, the slow cooking process, and the rice. Very, very important part of this dish.
Now start for marinate for chicken and keep more than 1 hour for rest.
What is
One
this?
turmeric powder,
Turmeric.
some garam masala.
This one you do it.
Yeah, this homemade garam masala. Curry powder. This is garlic ginger paste.
Like the biryani.
Yeah. Lemon juice. Okay.
Turmeric, garam masala, cumin, salt, lemon juice.
And keep it like 1 hour. So flavor will going inside the chicken. Around 4 kilo chicken.
4 kilo. Now 1 hour, fridge.
1 hour, just keep it like this in the fridge, and it will absorb all spices inside. Now I'm going for a cooking method.
Oh, it's key, eh?
Yeah, ghee, always ghee. Some onion, 250 grams. Then after you add all
Saffron? No.
saffron, not Korean saffron, only just going for Emirati biryanis.
How you give the color? Turmeric.
Turmeric color will come, but I add sometime little bit yellow color.
Okay.
Garlic ginger paste. Emirati food, you have lot of ingredients.
A lot of ingredients.
Tomato also cook like 2 to 3 minutes. Turmeric powder, curry powder, and garam masala put time being only
That's your
2
secret.
spoon. Yeah, this is secret. Color will come.
It's a flavorful rice dish, spiced with unique mix of spicy.
Curry leaf. This is for more flavor. Give it the curry leaf for majboos. Very nice flavor.
Cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, dry lemon.
Few pieces green chili. Without saute, not coming taste. 5 to 6 minutes, nicely saute. Very nice smell coming. Very nice.
Actually, this kind of dish made for celebration that bring people together, that is recognizable, is home.
Soda water. Salt as per taste. Fresh lemon means flavor will come. Don't throw this lemon.
Dry lemon, that they call it Lomi, is really a particular ingredient in this dish, giving this tangy flavor, really important in the Majboos.
You add the like 2.5 liter water. Then after you check the flavor. Yes. Can you check Chef Luca?
Very nice.
Don't out the steam out. Don't steam out. Steam inside. 1 kg rice, 1 kg chicken. Then your rice coming very floppy, big size, nicely.
That means you put the rice and after you cover.
Wash this one and I keep it 1 hour, this rice soak.
Rice, very, very important part of this dish.
Last step for covering our majboos.
How you know that you need to cover?
Just I keep my timer, my computer brain. Very nicely steam coming, right? Now it's full. Okay?
Yeah.
After 2 minutes, I switch off.
Yeah. How long we wait?
It's like 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Just leave it.
Okay.
Then after Majboos, you are ready.
Very nice.
Thank you so much. Okay, chef, now you see.
Yes.
Look up, you see?
Ooh, amazing. ChickenMajboos.
ChickenMajboos, Emirati Cuisine.
Very nice. Look at that.
How you, Chef Luca?
Very nice. Thank you, chef.
Very excellent.
The best.